Hi there, in this video I will show you how to download, install and activate Rishi theme in WordPress, and finally how to import a portfolio website demo step by step. You can also import e-commerce and blog website demos the same way, so let's get started. First open your browser and go to rishitheme.com. Here you will see a free download button, click on it. A form will appear where you need to enter your email address, first and last name. Then click on download now. You will receive an email with a download link. Click the link and your Rishi theme will start downloading. I have already downloaded the theme, so let's move on. Now go to your WordPress dashboard. From the left sidebar, go to appearance and click on themes. At the top, click on add new, then click upload theme. Select the theme file you downloaded and click open. Next, click install now. Once the installation is complete, click on activate. Congratulations, your theme is now active. Let's visit the site to see how it looks. Right now the website is completely empty. So the next step is importing a demo. To import a demo, go back to your WordPress dashboard and again click on appearance. Now you will see an option for Rishi theme. Click on it. Scroll down and click on starter templates. Click on install Rishi starter templates to access the demo templates. Here you can search for the type of website you want. Since I need a portfolio website, I will search for portfolio. As you can see, several portfolio templates are now visible. I am going to import this template by clicking the import button in front of it. The full demo preview will open. Click import complete site. The click I want to proceed, click continue, then import demo content and click continue again. Scroll down and make sure check the box that says delete previously imported site. This will remove any old content. Finally click continue and your demo import will begin. In just a few seconds the demo will be fully imported. Click on view site and check it out. As you can see, our portfolio website demo has been successfully imported.